Hey everybody! I'm here today to do a review of this Hoover SteamScrub Pro Pet. Now this is an awesome steam mop for cleaning, and in this video review I'll be going over the features and functions of this steam mop with you. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, we're going to start off by taking a look at the steam mop. Okay, so you can see down there at the bottom it has a removable scrubbing pad, which is very, very awesome because you can remove it, you can wash it, you can put it back. It's actually really easy to remove. You just pull it off and you push it back on. It's very, very simple, nothing complicated. As we move on up, you can see that there is a single control knob over there, and then there's an on and off switch over there, which I'll give you a closer view of in just a moment. And then as you see up there, there is simply a handle with a lever that you can push right there that will turn it on. Very simple and straightforward. As we move closer, you can see right over here that it does indeed have an on and off switch right over there. So you can see it has an on and off switch right over there. I've taken the liberty of turning it on and getting it all warmed up and nice and ready for use. In addition, it has this control knob right here. So this allows you to switch between steam only, tile, vinyl, and wood. That means that you can clean and sanitize the various surfaces. Okay, it also has a water compartment over here, as you can see right there, which obviously is what it creates the steam. When you want to create steam, you need water that has been heated up. So there's a water compartment right there and a nice lengthy cord to use. That means that this cord is really long. You're probably not going to need an extension cord unless your plug is really far away, but you have a nice long cord that wraps up around here so you can keep it stored away nicely. Another cool little feature about this that I really like is the fact that it locks into place upright. So I'm not holding it at all, but then when you want to bring it down, it unclips and swivels. So now you can use it. When you want to lock it again, you just put it in place and it locks upright once again. Very simple and easy to use. So I'm going to bring the camera back. Okay, now like I said, the cool thing about this is that it just takes cleaning to a whole new level. It allows you to sanitize and to steam clean at the same time. So it allows you to sanitize and steam clean all at the same time, just like that. So I'm just going to get the camera set up. You can take a look at that mopping pad right over there, as you can see. And I'm just checking where the framing is. I'm trying to bring my finger into the frame, and we are very far from where I thought I was. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to bring this up right over here, and as you can see, I'll just give you a view of what's happening. So let's flip the camera screen out towards me. I'm going to bring this down, and all I have to do is push the lever, and as you can see, check that out. Look at that. Look at that steam action. Look at that steam action. Okay? Now, this is great because you can also direct the steam. So as I'm going, I can direct the steam from one side or the other. Check that out, look at that, okay? And if you can, I'm not sure if you can see this on the tiles, but you can actually see on the tiles where the steam has already taken over. So if I scrub, I can see that I am actually cleaning significantly the stains that were there, okay? You have no idea how much the steam helps with cleaning and sanitizing, okay? And like I said, it has different settings that you can use. Very, very easy to work with, okay? So I'm telling you literally, this thing is amazing. If you have pets, it's great because you're probably gonna wanna sanitize, the floors all over. But even if you don't have pets, no matter what you wanna do with this thing, why you wanna use it for cleaning, it's gonna work really, really well. That's why I like it. It's called the SteamScrub Pro Pet. But in reality, in my opinion, you can use this to sanitize and clean the floors. Whether you have, I don't have any pets, and I use this to sanitize and clean the floors all the time. It's as simple as that. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video review of this Hoover SteamScrub Pro Pet Steam Cleaning Mop. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.